Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 8th. It's me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed from Beria Foundation College Noshar Feroz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, in today's lecture we are going to learn about conversion of decimal number systems into octal numbers. So dear students, before going to the detail of the topic, we will have to concentrate at what is decimal number system and what is an octal number system. So dear students, decimal means 10, octal means 8. The number system which denotes 10 number system, 10 numbers and 10 base is known as the decimal number system. The series of decimal number system starts from 0 to 9. So dear students, in decimal number systems we can count the numbers from 0 to 9. So any pair starting from 0 to 9 denoting the base as 10 is known as decimal number system, and octal number system is the number system in which there is a series of 8 numbers starting from 0 to 8. So dear students, today's topic is about the conversion of decimal number systems into octal number systems. So dear students, decimal number system is the large number system than the octal number system because the base of decimal number system is 10 while the base of octal number is 8. So dear students, we will have to convert large number system into small number system, that is decimal number system, into octal number system. So dear students, whenever we are said to convert decimal number system into octal number system, so during the conversion of two number systems we will have to focus on the number system, that which number is larger and which one is smaller. So dear students, you see that decimal number system is larger than the octal number system. So dear students, we are said to convert decimal number system as the large number system into octal number system as the small number system. So dear students, whenever we are going to convert large number system into small number system, we will have to keep in mind that we will use repeated division method to convert decimal number system into their binary or octal number systems. So here dear students, the example number 1 is convert 4-5 decimal number system into its octal equivalent. So dear students, to convert decimal number system into octal equivalent, we will divide given value with the base of octal number system, that is 8. So dear students, we will divide 45 with the 8, and when we will divide 45 with the 8, the table will be 5 adds the 40 and we will subtract 40 from the 45, the remainder will be 5. So dear students, here 5 are the table times, that how much times 45 is divided by the 8. So 5 times table of 8 divides the 45, remainder is 5, and we will count from here 5 and remainder 5. So dear students, 45 decimal number system is equal to 55 octal number system. Dear students, today's lecture based on the conversion of decimal number systems into octal number system is winded up here, and your homework is to solve the 2 to 8 decimal number system into octal equivalent, that is on the book page number 5. So dear students, today's lecture based on the conversion of decimal number systems into octal number systems is winded up here, and we will meet in coming up lecture. So till the coming up lecture, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 8th